Welcome back everybody to the cabin. Today's video is going to be about teaching Karen how to drive the tractor. However, I can't get it started. So I'm not sure if it's a battery or what. So instead, I think we've maybe found a better path down to the river. So we're going to check that out and hopefully be able to get the tractor going in a bit. So here we go.
All right, Nancy's showing me a different way down to the river that hopefully we can use this summer. Spring and summer. Here we go.
We shall see.
She's a little bit slippery. This will be good if you can get it bushwhacked in the spring and summer. Or in the spring, I mean. Way over to the right. Oh. You found another one? Oh, another pink one. Or maybe she brought that? So far, this is good. I did. I was looking over there. This seems a little bit better. Maybe still not so much in the rain, like after it's rained. Hi, Lou. Don't leave your ball. At least we've got lots of stuff to hang on to.
Pardon?
I said at least we have a lot of things to hang on to as we come down. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Jeez, Lou. It's real pretty though. Whoa, I see a lot of potential Christmas trees here, like this one right here. Should be just the perfect height.
This big tall one? Hey!
What was that? Stay here, hon. Holy, I don't even recognize this from our first spot. Holy cow. This is where we first went fishing?
That's where we first went fishing, yeah.
Holy cow. Good job. Wow. I cannot believe it.
Maybe we should try and scoot over that way.
Yeah.
The original trail we did.
Yeah, okay. Here, can you put that? Whew, that's cold. I have 2 left feet today, it appears. Hi guys. Luna, away from the water. Oh, look how pretty that is. Look all the. Oh, thank you. Yep. Thank you. You're welcome. None of this seems familiar to me at all. No, I'm just saying, like, from when we... Oh, Kenny did it? Yeah. Oh, settle down. Excuse me. Oh, now. Okay. Oh, look at this little Charlie Brown Christmas tree. Right here. Okay, I may need to push up here.
Oh, you're going up?
Oh, no, I'm not. Oh, jeez. Oh, yeah, I want to check out how the boat and that.
Where we normally come down.
This is where we normally come down. Actually, it looks so much easier now, but not after a rain. Hi, Lou. Oh, you got another ball.
You want to go over there?
Yeah, let's check it out. Come on, Lou, we're going to check out the den that you guys found. Come on, bring it up. Come on, you're going to lose that one. Yeah, I'm going over here. It seems like a hot spot as any. So this is our first time really coming this way. The dogs seem to have found something in the summertime that I think was a den of some sort, but we haven't really got a good look at it because we really are hard pressed to get through here. I'm wondering if it's right here? Oh, I think it's right here. No, that's not it either. I don't think it was. Oh, it might have been more like farther.
I think it's more here on the bank somewhere.
Oh, okay.
But I don't see anything.
Me neither. Like they were right in there digging. Hello? So pretty. The beaver has been up this far. It's so neat. Hello? Oh, I love how we can actually take a little hike up here. Hello? Where that totally secluded, privacy, that would be nice.
So we're gonna, I think we have plans for this place, but we'll tell you about those once we figure it out. But thanks for the idea, Yvonne, and hopefully we can make this little project come true, but we're keeping it a secret for now.
But it'll be right around here. Where to now? You want to keep going, or?
Yeah.
Jeez, these stakes things still hurt when there's nothing on them. Look at that. Look how pretty that is.
Yeah, beautiful.
You can see the current, and
Yeah, and you can see where it's shallower too.
yeah. Hi guys, come on. Watch out, Nance. Ah! Oh, the sun came out for us. This is awesome. Yeah, but I have been up top. Once you get up top there, it's okay. The fence is here?
I guess this is our property line.
Oh. Found a property line.
Luna!
Whew. God, I'm wearing my glasses. Get whipped in the face. Wow. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Whoa. Whoa. No! What's this look like? Oh, the fence, right? Luna Marie! Good job, guys. Come on. Oh. This is a cool tree. All spindly. Let's get us out of this debris here.
Alright, we got this tractor going.
All right.
Don't look towards the trailer.
That's hard to do. Working up a little bit of a sweat here. tonight, well, we couldn't get the tractor started, so we're gonna have to get somebody to come out here and fix her up for us, and then I'll take her for a little spin. I'm kind of excited actually, because I've never ridden one of those before. So we'll take another stab at it when somebody comes to fix her up. So I'm just glad that we have one. So anyway, later. Alright, so we're just gonna check out a little bit more of our property here that we haven't been able to get to because of, well, it's always so grown up and it's difficult to get to. But now it's much easier, but I do have to watch where I'm walking. Hey, John. John. Johnny. Hi, bud. Let's go. Let's go for a walk. So, take you over to the ravine. I've been down there a couple times just to see if there was any tree stumps or anything that we could salvage. But there was a lot of plastic down there, but we got it pretty cleaned out. And that leads to the river. But where I'm going right now is closer to the road, because there is a nice secluded spot where we can go camping once we have some winter gear to make a go of it. Come on, John. My little trusty sidekick is looking for Luna. Anyway, this is beautiful here too, all the dogwood. And up here there's so many raspberry bushes too. I didn't realize it because you can never see it. It's everything else so grown up. But just over to the left here, that's where the road is. But over here to the right is a really nice spot that you can't see from the road to go camping. I'm just itching to go camping, but I was going to do it last weekend on the Saturday night, but oh, it was too cold and we don't have the proper tent. We don't have a tent, a 3-season tent, so we're going to get one of those eventually. Anyway, so if we camp out here, it's completely secluded. It'd be beautiful. Stay here, bud. And yeah, it's so nice. I just can't get over the sheer beauty of this place. But I just love it. All right, well, that about wraps it up for this go around. But we do have to say, we do have something exciting. We follow Girl in the Woods, Brooke Whipple, on YouTube, and she had asked if there's anybody had any questions for her. So Nancy and I put in a question about fly fishing, and sure enough, on Wednesday night, she responded via her YouTube channel and talked to us a little bit about fly fishing. So that was kind of neat. And yeah, she got us excited about that, and we asked her too how to make a real go of it on the YouTube channel. So she gave us some helpful hints about that too. So if you ever want to see what she's up to, it's Girl in the Woods. And she was actually on 2 seasons of Alone, which was amazing. So anyway, that's it for today, and just leave you with a little bit more, well, more of Johnny. Oh boy. Maybe not. Anyway, until next time, we'll see you back at the cabin. Stay safe.